company's called Lenderblock. If you Google Lenderblock, you'll see this podcast. I might make it a podcast and everything, so you'll see it. It's on YouTube. Subscribe. That's the best thing. That YouTube subscription. That's it. That's us.
God, this on bro.
Appreciate it, bro. What's your name?
Newell.
Newell. Michael.
Michael.
This is the Lenderblock podcast.
Let's come up here. I'm making content. So, hey, so your name is
Crystal.
Crystal. My name is Michael. All right, Crystal. So today I'm telling you about my company called Lenderblock Corporation. I have two apps. This app allows you to pull money into groups. Every month you're going to pay, like, let's say $100 for a group of 15 people. You're going to have then $150 to withdraw every 10 weeks. Every 10 months, you're going to contribute on a cycle like that. You know, the benefit of this is that you can have fronts, and you're allowed to withdraw funds like earlier. If you need, like, if you have an unforeseen expense, you can withdraw the funds. I'm speaking crazy right now, but you understand what I'm trying to say here. This one is like lending and borrowing peer-to-peer. So you can be a lender to other people, and you can also be a borrower without needing having a FICO credit score. So you can just create a credit line, choose your interest rate, minimum monthly payment, and then you can actually like just borrow money from other people. But your credit limit is going to be equal to the amount of collateral put down in your credit line. So you have to actually put down some collateral. But we have forms now, but we got some grant funding that allows people to actually like receive like free credit limit increases. Because we're able to give people free credit limit, but it's limited. But I say sign up.
Okay.
So Crystal, what's your major?
Communications.
Now you're over there, right? I went to school.
Yeah. Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I liked it.
Thank you.
Yeah, apps, the Lender platform and the partner platform. Lender allows you to lend and borrow peer-to-peer. You can choose your interest rate, minimum monthly payment without needing FICO credit scores. You can report it to equity ratio, whatever, it doesn't matter. Use collateral to protect against borrower defaults. You can put down some collateral to start, even like $5. But on top of that, we give out free collateral. We just have some grant funding, 10K, maybe more for lucky. So you can sign up for this app and then request like an amount of money and free credit as well. It's security. This side allows you to create something we call a partnership, where you're basically contributing money with other people every single month or whatever the manager decides. Yeah. And you can turn every once in a while, like on a set basis to withdraw something. Right? So. Hey, I want to tell you about my company called Lenderblock. We got good on the camera. I want some content. So, Lenderblock Corporation is a company that allows you to lend and borrow peer-to-peer, so you can basically create your own credit line without having a FICO credit score. So you can put your credit line out there, choosing your interest rate, minimum monthly payment. You're basically soliciting investment from other people. You want to get them to lend you money, and you repay them instead of repaying the bank. So you basically enrich other people. We can middle class rather than bank. You can also rent out people on this app too. You can do both at the same time. This app allows you to do something called susu, a lot of like cultures, but it's basically contributing to a pool on a single basis and getting a rotational return to withdraw some of that money. Yeah, in the front if you have some expense pop up or something like that. Yeah. What's your name? Kyla. Michael.
Nice to
Yeah,
meet you.
yeah. What do you do? What do you study?
I'm in business administration.
Oh, yeah. I graduated from here in 2020.
Oh, really? You liked it? What you studied?
I did electrical.
Oh, okay, about the same.
Yeah, I was over there. Like, my freshman year, I was over here all the time. Like, I lived in Kentucky. Gotta get in the shop. So this app's allow you to lend and borrow peer-to-peer. You can choose your own interest rate, minimum monthly payment for this one. As a borrower, put your credit line out on the dashboard where other members can see it. Those members can also lend you money if they choose, if they think it's going to be profitable. But you can see their credit lines. People choose to make them, and they can see yours. And then anyone can lend to anyone pretty much. So it's just peer-to-peer lending without going to the bank. You don't need FICO for this because your credit limit is actually equal to the amount of collateral that's put down for you. We now have some grant funding to increase people's credit limits without them putting their own collateral down. But this is basically secured lending and borrowing.
Yeah.
This one is something called susu pretty much, where you can basically create a partnership, we call it. And This partnership allows you to contribute to a pool with other people and get rotational returns to withdraw the sum of the pool. So let's say every month you're contributing $100, and it's a 10 of you, and you're contributing. One of these 10 people have the turn to withdraw the sum of the pool, so there'll be 900 for that person to withdraw. One contribute for themselves, and then you're gonna go around 10 months. Every person after 10 months will have the turn to withdraw the sum of the pool, $900, and will contribute cumulatively $900. So that's this. These two apps are available on iOS and iOS App Store, Android, Google Play Store. So yeah.
Yeah, this one is, which one is iOS? Or
Both
both?
of them. Yeah, so the company's called Lenderblock. We make YouTube videos. We're getting our subscribers up, just got over 100 subscribers. Yeah, we're at 300 in New York, 300 records recently. Yeah, keep us.
Alright, bro. You want me to check it out, Mobile? Appreciate it.
Hey everybody, oh, we got a big group. Hey, I want to talk to all of you guys about my apps. So I have a company called Lenderblock Corporation. Lenderblock Corporation. Let's all get in the shop. Oh, we are. Already. So Lenderblock Corporation allows you to basically lend and borrow P2P without being a FICO credit score. This purpose side is going to allow you to create a credit line. That credit line will allow you to choose your interest rate, minimum monthly payment, put it out on the dashboard. All the members can see your credit line and choose to lend to it if you think it's going to be profitable. You can also lend to other people in a very interesting kind of payments if you choose. Right? So it's just peer-to-peer lending and borrowing. This side is going to allow you to basically do something called SUSU. You know what SUSU is, virtual. It's basically contributing to a pool, and you have a rotational return to all the same. So let's say you're contributing 10 of the people, 9 of the people group of 10, you're all contributing $100 a month. So then each month, one person in that group of 10 will return $100 a month. Right? And then it's going to go around for 10 months. You go around as many multiples of 10 months as you want. That's the full cycle. These two apps, I think both of them, I went to school here, I studied electrical engineering, graduated from the so I made the first app, the purple one, that deployed in March 2020, and I made that while I was still taking classes. So then I was working away, came back here, but no more people here. So it's easy for me to go my startup. So it's been a nice journey. You guys might talk about this. So I know it's like,
We'll check it out.
Yeah.
Thank you though.
yeah, let's make content though. You're already in the shop trying to run.
I'm late to something.
Oh, you are? Alright, well.
That's okay.
Flyers, I had these big double-sided flyers, but you have these two apps called the Blender platform and Partner platform. Blender allows you to lend and borrow peer-to-peer, creating a credit line, choosing your interest rate, minimum monthly payment. You'll see a dashboard of different credit lines you can choose to lend to. So this is the dashboard I'm talking about. You see all these different credit lines pop up. I can click on any one of them and choose to lend money. You see it go up and down when people's contributing and the borrowers withdrawing money that's being contributed to them. So it's peer-to-peer lending, but it's building up a blockchain smart contract right now. It's good this time. Once it finishes loading up, I'm going to extend this X domain a little bit. All that does that, you can kind of see the money go in and out. Basically a stock where a person is choosing to withdraw funds from people. So you're repaying people instead of repaying the bank. You can create a credit line on here without having a FICO credit score. So use collateral. And this one here is called the Partner platform. It goes down. And it lets you do something similar. Look at the Face ID. And this one allows you to do something called basically a partnership or a SUSU or something like that, where you're contributing to a pool and you're receiving rotational returns to withdraw some of the pool. So let's say there's 10 of us in the group, and every single month we're contributing $100, or every month one person out of 10 is going to get a chance to withdraw some of the pool, which would be 900, because they're not going to contribute for themselves. It goes around a big deal. I'm at the school here.
So you made both of these apps?
Yeah, I mean, that's on, so I'm here because my target audience is here. So I have 2,500 uniquely owned accounts right now across those two apps, and like the user bases are shared. So if you have an account with one, you already have an account with the other.
More than likely, I will go on the app. I'll give it a shot, see what's going on. Yeah, it's a big part of the thing.
Trying to build an economy of people independent of banks. It's pretty much a whole.
I like that. Okay. Cool. I appreciate that. Thanks for letting me know about that. And you say your name is Michael. Nice to meet you, Michael. Well, I'll definitely definitely give that a shot. Today, sometime on my lunch break.
Yeah.
All right, appreciate it.
But basically, the two apps that I have, part of Lenderblock Corporation, it's called the Blender platform and the Partner platform. So Blender is going to allow you to create a credit line without having a FICO credit score. You can lend and borrow peer-to-peer. So you can choose your interest rate, minimum monthly payment as a borrower, and put it out on this dashboard right here, where you can see all these. I can click on any of them and become a lender right now just by choosing an amount once it finishes loading up all the blockchain data. And you're going to be able to go through a graph and basically invest in this person like a stock, along with other people, and get the value up and get more people to invest. Excuse me. And then you get interest compounding payments from them as they use your money and pay it back, like the bank would receive from your using your credit card, right? So kind of look at it like this and see different statistics. And basically, if you want to lend, you go down here and go boom. And once again, use it. Oh, I forgot about this because it's my first time lending to this person. I have to go and sign an agreement. And this agreement is put into a PDF with all the other lenders, so they can all, everyone sees, okay, we're all in a joint venture lending to this person, pretty much. And I keep a PDF screenshots of all these. It's all automated. You get them all the other lenders when the new person signs up, stuff like that. If I'm not gonna go fully through with it. Then you use your Face ID again to decrypt, and then cancel it. So then I have a second app here that does something similar. This one is the Susu thing, where you're basically contributing to a pool that on a cyclical basis. So like you're contributing, let's say $100 every month, and you get a turn to withdraw some of the pool. So the more people who are in it, the more you'll have to withdraw, but the longer you'll have to wait between each turn, that kind of thing. But the advantage is that you can get a front when you have an unforeseen expense. So like if you need a draw next month because you have, oh shoot, I didn't know I was gonna need to pay for this or that. Like these are all the friends I have here. I'm cutting subjects, but these are all the friends I have here. And these are friends of my friends, so I can add these friends up here by touching them and add them up here and refresh notifications. So like you see these different partnerships, and these partnerships are all ones I'm a part of, and you see no actions due. And that's because I'm up to date with what I need to do for this partnership. I've contributed, so all those different prompts are telling me like what needs to happen. You can see the similarity this app has with the other one. There's a bar graph, so the intro, and like I can look at different managers. I can add them to my friend list. I can go back. I can like look at this person's data instead of mine, and see like has this person contributed? Okay, they did contribute. That's their contribution to that bar, that round. And each round, you'll see each person's dark blue section and the total up here. So $2 were contributed in total. This person contributed $1 of that $2. That's the principle of it. I'm trying to express something mathematical in a pictorial way for everyone, and then you can choose to land down here or contribute, but it's going to say I already contributed. Remember, it told me that I'm up to date. So you go back here, put money on your account here, stuff like that. But these two apps are called Blender and Partner. And you Blender Partner, yeah. So we're on Instagram, YouTube, and companies called Lenderblock. If you Google Lenderblock, you'll see this podcast. I'm like making a podcast and everything, so you'll see it. It's on YouTube. Subscribe. That's the best thing. That YouTube subscription. That's us.
God, this on bro.
Appreciate it, bro. What's your name? Newell. Michael. All right. Nice to meet you, man.
This is the Lenderblock Podcast.